Hey, freelancers, ever dream of waking up without an alarm clock? Or maybe you crave financial independence while doing what you love? Well, today I'm sharing the ultimate guide to freelancing success. First up, let's talk about finding your niche. It's tempting to offer a bit of everything, but focusing on what you excel at will set you apart. Think about what you enjoy and where you have the most experience. That's your sweet spot. Next, build a killer portfolio. Your portfolio is your digital handshake. It's the first impression clients get of you. Showcase your best work, and don't be afraid to highlight your unique style. Remember, it's quality over quantity. Networking? It's not just a buzzword. Connect with other freelancers, join online communities, and attend industry events. The more people you know, the more opportunities you'll have. And don't forget to leverage social media. Platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram can be gold mines for finding clients. Speaking of clients, let's dive into client management. Communication is key. Be clear about your deliverables, deadlines, and rates from the get-go. Set boundaries and stick to them. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now let's talk about pricing. Don't undersell yourself. Research industry standards and price your work accordingly. Remember, you're not just charging for your time, but for your expertise and the value you bring to the table. Time management is also crucial. Create a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Tools like Trello or Asana can help you keep track of projects and deadlines. And don't forget to take breaks. Burning out does no one any good. Lastly, invest in yourself. Continue learning and upgrading your skills, take courses, read books, and stay updated with industry trends. The more you know, the more valuable you become. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to freelancing success. Remember, it's all about finding your niche, building a strong portfolio, networking, managing clients, pricing right, managing your time, and constantly learning. Embrace the freedom and financial independence that freelancing offers. You've got this. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.